In this video, I'll show you how to play Fortnite on your Mac using GeForce Now. Since Fortnite is not fully available as a normal updated installation on Mac, one of the easiest ways to play it is through cloud gaming. With GeForce Now, you can stream Fortnite directly from your browser without installing the full game on your Mac. To get started, open your browser. In the address bar, go to play.geforcenow.com. Once the page opens, sign in to your GeForce Now account. If you don't already have one, you can create a new account for free. After signing in, go to the top left corner and click on the three lines menu. From the menu, click Settings. Now scroll down until you find Connections. Here, you need to connect your Epic Games account to your GeForce Now account. This step is important because Fortnite uses your Epic Games account, so make sure you sign in with the account you normally use for Fortnite. Once your Epic Games account is connected, go back to the main GeForce Now page. Now click on Games. You should see Fortnite listed there. If you don't see it right away, use the search bar at the top and search for Fortnite. When Fortnite appears, click on it, then click Play. If you're using the free version of GeForce Now, you may be placed in a queue before the game starts. This means you'll need to wait until a gaming rig becomes available. If you don't want to wait in long queues, you can choose one of the paid GeForce Now plans, but the free plan still allows you to play. Once your turn comes up, Fortnite will launch through GeForce Now, and you'll be able to play it on your Mac. Just make sure you have a strong and stable internet connection, because the game is being streamed from the cloud. A weak connection can cause lag, delay, or lower video quality. And that's it. That's how you can play Fortnite on a Mac using GeForce Now. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.